Hey there, home bakers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a super quick and easy recipe for scrumptious chocolate chip cookies that you can whip up in just 2 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. So let's dive right in. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's happening, grab a large mixing bowl. You'll need half a cup of softened butter, half a cup of brown sugar, and a quarter cup of granulated sugar. Cream these together until it's nice and smooth. Next, add in 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all up until it's well combined. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring continuously. When it's all mixed in, fold in a cup of delicious chocolate chips. And there you go. Your cookie dough is ready. Scoop out spoonfuls of dough and place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave some space between each scoop, as they'll spread a bit while baking. Pop the tray in the oven and bake for about 10-12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And there you have it. Perfectly delicious, gooey chocolate chip cookies in no time. Let them cool for a few minutes before you dig in, if you can wait that long. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more yummy treats. Thanks for watching and happy baking!